this AI tool that I'm about to tell you about is insane. It's called video.ai. Basically what it does is it can take any long form content and turn it into short form content in seconds. All you have to do is copy a YouTube link and then paste it into this website, and then it'll do all the work for you. It'll add titles, subtitles, and everything without you having to do anything. So if you need some extra income, listen up. First of all, it takes a lot of effort to create YouTube videos, and a lot of these creators just don't have the time to create shorts, reels, and TikToks. And every single day I get hundreds, literally hundreds of DMs from people saying, hey, can I be your editor? But none of them stand out. This is how you stand out. First, create another Instagram account and look for small to medium YouTubers. Don't look for the big ones, small to medium. And just check if they're posting consistent on Instagram or TikTok. And if they aren't, that's perfect. Go ahead and create a banger reel out of one of these YouTube videos and then post it on your new Instagram account. Tag them and say, hey, look at this video I just created.